I am Landon Majerus, and I am a test technician here at RiverSide Integrated Solutions. So a test technician fixes test equipment that is not working and debugs boards that aren't properly working and fix returns that come in. We have people that put boards into fixtures or into harnesses that will tell the person to either follow instructions on flip switches, push buttons, or it'll actually just do it by itself and it'll give it a pass or fail. The thing I like the most is the people that work here and seeing them every day. We are kind of a small family here, and we like to have a lot of fun, but also like to work hard and get our stuff done the best we can. Every day is a new day and don't know what you're gonna get sometimes. So as a test tech, you gotta be ready for improvisation. The person that would fit well in this job is someone that likes to tinker with stuff and fix things and try to figure out how it works and how to make it better. Just be ready to work. Just be ready to work.